I'm Kelly Brown, Director of Marketing here at Blackwater Truss Systems. I'm here to answer any and all questions you may have as a prospective authorized dealer. When it comes to becoming an authorized dealer for Blackwater Truss Systems, many things come up in conversation. One being, can we customize? The simple answer, yes. Yes, we customize many of our trusses, whether that be the snow load, the wind rating, and even the pitch. We provide a standard pricing for all of our dealers, and anything customized will change from there. Our standard square tube gable trusses go up to 100 feet engineered. Our monoslope and lean-to up to 40 feet, and our header trusses all the way up to 32. Standard wind rating is to the Miami-Dade County standard, and that is 140 to 160 miles per hour. As stated, any of these can change per project and per job. As shown in the video of our adjustable tail, you can go from a 6x6 post all the way up to a 12x12, making it versatile and easy at the job site, and nothing needs to be adjusted in production. We are so confident that we have the best steel trusses on the market. We offer a lifetime warranty with every truss that leaves our facility. When it comes to ease, we offer a wholesale login on our website, making it simple and easy for all of our dealers to log on, access their personalized pricing, and order directly from there. Steel trusses are the future of framing, offering more in style, versatility, design, and Blackwater Truss. We are proud to offer not only a product that meets your engineering standards, but also one that holds up in design and value for a lifetime to come.
When it comes to strength, nothing beats our square tube trusses. They're stronger, more stable, and more durable than angle iron. At the peak, our patented Z-bracket locks everything in place, giving unmatched stability where it matters most. Every component of our truss system is patented or patent pending, engineered for performance, protected by innovation. Our built-in collar tie isn't a separate part, it's integrated into the truss design. That means cleaner lines and more headroom. Rated for up to 180 miles an hour, our square tube trusses are built to withstand nature's worst. Every truss comes with a lifetime warranty. We stand behind our work for life. Stronger, smarter, proven. Our trusses aren't just good, they're the best on the market.